Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and also do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. Yesterday I was sitting on the bus when a couple of young people got on in front of me and started chatting. And being a nosy kind of person, I couldn't help but eavesdrop. And as I was listening, I realised quite quickly that they were both teachers and that they'd recently restarted back at school after a long period of lockdown. One of the teachers was complaining to her friend about a difficult class she'd been given this term. And her friend gave her a piece of advice saying, "Listen, with that kind of class, you have to put your foot down. Otherwise, they're going to walk all over you. If you put your foot down, you use your authority to stop something from happening or to make something happen. Or maybe you refuse very firmly to do something or accept something. So if you're a parent and you have a child who's been misbehaving, you might need to put your foot down. You might need to lay down the law and tell them what's possible for them to do and what's not possible for them to do. If you're a teacher sometimes with a difficult class, you need to put your foot down and let them know what you will and won't accept. If you're at work and your boss asks you repeatedly to work weekends, you might just need to put your foot down and refuse to do what you're being asked to do. Otherwise, people will think you're a pushover. They'll walk all over you. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and in the comments section below, let us hear about times when you've needed to put your foot down.